There's always an issue happening right now in today's headlines that links back to the histories we work on at the GLC. So what I like to say to people is, what are you interested in? What's the problem you want to solve out there? We might know some history that can help you get there. I'm currently wrapped up in a project President Salve asked me to direct and manage and write, and that is the history of Yale University with slavery and abolition. Yale, as everyone knows, is about 320 years old now. It's a very long history. And I have led a team, a small team of both faculty and students and librarians who have been crucial to this, to research Yale's entanglements with the problem of slavery over time. And we made a decision very early in this project not to write a report per se, which is what most universities have done, but to write a real narrative history. At the GLC, we have managed and organized a whole array of webinars, panels, events for the Yale Project over the past 2 years. We've done panels with the descendants of some of the earliest Black Yale students. We've done panels with local New Haven community leaders. We did a panel with undergraduates to know what they thought. We've done panels on the history of eugenics at Yale. So by managing that project, it gave us another whole set of issues to do all kinds of outreach about, because that's what we're here for. We're a center for the study of slavery and abolition, but it's remarkable sometimes how infinite it feels when you start thinking about all the issues that connect to us, that connect to the questions at the core of our mission. How can we work on this aspect of social justice? How might we work on that aspect of repairing the past to the extent we can? How might we work on that policy question by doing more history beneath it? How should universities look at their own past and the past around them that they helped create?